Hey everyone, this is a update on our little homestead backyard greenhouse. We recently had a winter storm with over a foot of snow and over 60-mile-an-hour winds. It lasted about 2.5 days. It ended about a day and a half ago. It's warmed up to the mid-40s. The snow's melting very fast. And let's take a quick look inside and see what's going on, if anything. Outside, doesn't appear to be any damage from the winds or the snow load. This was built with a very minimal framing and support to keep the cost down. But as you can see, the clear polycarbonate panels have held up. There's no cracks, no breaks. Framing's held up fine. I think this has been the worst storm that this has been through in the year and a half that this has been up. It's about 46 degrees outside and 62 degrees in here. As you can see though, did have some snow below in. Not every crack and seam, and this is sealed off. I mostly did the ones at the lower level. As you can see here, there is a white foam insert to fill in the corrugations. I have that along the edge with the corrugated steel panels, and at the bottom mostly just to keep snakes and other critters out of here. The top doesn't have that, and the snow inside here probably just blew in while we're having those winds. But still, along with the colder temperatures, we've had some single digits. Most of the plants in here have held up pretty well. I still need to pull a lot of these out and replant, but they've done pretty good. The water barrel did get some ice in it, only about half an inch or so, and I was able to water everything earlier today. Anyway, that's the update.